Welcome back to Car Flair. The 2026 Falcon X-Cruiser Luxurious Motorhome is built for those who want the freedom of the open road without leaving behind the comforts of home. Designed on a heavy-duty chassis, this motorhome combines off-road capability with high-end interior design, delivering a true all-terrain luxury experience. From the outside, the Falcon X-Cruiser commands attention. Its elevated stance, off-road tires, and adaptive suspension are ready for rugged terrain, while the sleek exterior panels, integrated lighting, and roof-mounted solar system add a refined, modern look. Side storage compartments, an automatic awning, and a rear gear rack enhance functionality without sacrificing style. Step inside, and the interior feels more like a luxury apartment than a camper. The main living area features a spacious lounge with premium seating, ambient lighting, and large windows that flood the space with natural light. The convertible dinette serves as both a dining space and an extra bed, and under-seat compartments offer hidden storage for all your gear. The kitchen is equipped for serious cooking on the go. It includes a dual-burner induction cooktop, a deep stainless steel sink, a convection microwave, and a full-size fridge-freezer. Solid surface countertops, soft close cabinets, and a slide-out pantry give it a residential feel. Overhead lights and under-cabinet LEDs keep everything visible and functional at any time of day. Sleeping arrangements are designed for comfort. The rear bedroom features a full-size bed with a high-density mattress, bedside lighting, and overhead storage. A secondary sleeping area above the cab or in the lounge can accommodate additional travelers, making the X-Cruiser ideal for couples or small families. The bathroom includes a fully enclosed wet bath with a water-saving shower, cassette toilet, and molded sink. A roof fan ensures airflow, while waterproof finishes make cleaning easy. The on-demand hot water system runs off propane or electricity, giving you flexibility wherever you camp. Power systems are built for off-grid living. Rooftop solar panels charge a lithium battery bank, supported by vehicle alternator and optional shore power. A touchscreen control panel near the entry monitors lighting, battery levels, tank capacities, and temperature settings, all of which can also be managed via mobile app. Heating and cooling are handled by a ducted climate system, with high-grade insulation throughout to keep the interior quiet and comfortable year-round. Safety features include backup cameras, lane assistance, and stability control for peace of mind wherever the road leads. The 2026 Falcon X-Cruiser is not just transportation, it's a self-contained, luxurious living space engineered to go wherever adventure calls. Thanks for watching Car Flair. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing motorhome adventures.